Welcome to this transformative journey of raising your energy vibration. Your energy vibration is the frequency at which your body, mind, and spirit resonate. By raising your vibration, you can attract more positivity, joy, and abundance into your life. In this video, I will guide you through 5 powerful steps to elevate your energy and unlock your highest potential. The first step to raising your vibration is to practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant in your life. Each morning or each evening before you go to bed, take a moment to reflect on 3 things you are grateful for. Feel the appreciation in your heart as you acknowledge these blessings. Gratitude opens the door to abundance and connects you with the present moment, allowing your vibration to rise naturally. When you focus on the good, you attract more good into your life. The second step is to connect with nature. Nature has a grounding effect that can instantly elevate your energy. Whether it's a walk in the park, sitting by the ocean, or simply feeling the grass beneath your feet, immersing yourself in the natural world aligns your energy with the Earth's highest frequency. Take some deep breaths. Feel the sun on your skin and listen to the sounds of nature. This simple yet profound practice can cleanse your energy and uplift your spirit, bringing you into harmony with the world around you. Meditation is the third step to raising your vibration. By quieting the mind and tuning into your inner self, meditation helps you release negative thoughts and emotions. Set aside a few minutes each day to sit in silence. Focus on your breath and let go of any tension. Visualize a bright, radiant light surrounding you, filling you with peace, love, and positivity. This daily practice not only raises your vibration, but also brings clarity, balance, and a deeper connection to your true self. The fourth step is to nourish your body and mind. What you consume, both physically and mentally, directly affects your energy vibration. Choose high vibration foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, and clean water. Avoid over-processed and low energy foods that can weigh you down. Equally important is nourishing your mind. Engage with uplifting content, books, music, videos, podcasts, and conversations that inspire and elevate your thoughts. Feed your soul with positivity, and you will notice a significant shift in your energy levels. The fifth and final step is to surround yourself with positivity. Your environment plays a crucial role in your vibration. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Let go of toxic relationships and situations that drain your energy. Create a living space that reflects peace and positivity. Clear out clutter, let in natural light, and fill your space with elements that make you feel good. Your surroundings should be a sanctuary that nurtures your soul. By surrounding yourself with positive energy, you will maintain a high vibration and attract more of what you desire into your life. Raising your energy vibration is a powerful way to transform your life. By practicing gratitude, connecting with nature, meditating, nourishing your body and mind, and surrounding yourself with positive energy, you will elevate your frequency and create a reality filled with joy, abundance, and love. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, your energy is your greatest asset. Nurture it, protect it, and watch your life blossom in ways you never imagined. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with those who might benefit from it. Let's spread the light together.